Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or sentences. They help us make our sentences more interesting and complex. Whether you are new to learning English or just want to improve your English grammar, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Let's get started. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or sentences. For example, in the sentence, I like apples and oranges, the word and is a conjunction because it connects apples and oranges. Types of conjunctions. Now let's look at the different types of conjunctions. There are three main types: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect words, phrases, or sentences that are equal or similar. Examples are and, but, or, and, so. We use them in sentences like, she likes tea and coffee. He is tired but happy. And do you want pizza or pasta? Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. They show a relationship between the two parts. Examples are because, although, if, and when. We use them in sentences like, she is happy because she passed the test. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. And if you study, you will pass. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to connect words or phrases. Examples are either or, neither nor, and both and. We use them in sentences like, you can either have cake or ice cream. She likes neither tea nor coffee. And both my brother and my sister are doctors. Conjunctions help us connect clauses and sentences to make our writing more interesting. For example, I wanted to go for a walk, but it was raining. Here, but connects two sentences and shows contrast. Another example is, she is studying hard so she can pass her exams. Here, so that shows the purpose of studying hard. Compound sentences have two or more independent clauses connected by a coordinating conjunction. For example, I like to read and I like to write. Here, and connects two independent sentences or independent clauses. Complex sentences have one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses connected by a subordinating conjunction. For example, because it was raining, we stayed inside. Here, the word because connects the dependent clause because it was raining to the independent clause, we stayed inside. To sum up, conjunctions are very important in English language. They help us connect words, phrases, and sentences to make our writing and speaking more interesting and clearer. Remember the types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. Practice these in your sentences and you'll get better every single day. And thank you so much for watching this video. Now here's a question for you. Can you make a sentence using a coordinating conjunction and another using a subordinating conjunction? Please drop your sentences in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time.